The Timekettle W4 Pro earbuds might not help me understand what my cat Mittens is trying to tell me, but they can translate over 50 human languages, which is still pretty impressive. So in this Timekettle W4 Pro review, I'm going to unbox these earbuds, discuss their capabilities, and test them to see if they're some of the best AI translator earbuds that you can buy. And if you want to own a pair of Timekettle earbuds, the link to them is in the description, and that's going to offer you the best discount and a few other perks as well. Alright, so let's see what you get when you buy the Timekettle W4 Pro AI interpreter earbuds. First up are the AI translation earbuds themselves. They're pretty lightweight at about half an ounce, which is 16 grams to the rest of us. It takes about an hour to charge them from 0%, and their battery life ranges from 6 to 12 hours depending on how hard you're using them. Next is this really cool magnetic charging case. It is big, it is heft, it is sturdy, and this is weighing around 100 ounces. It feels premium, it feels well made. Even like how the magnets connect. How cool is that? You can charge the case to full capacity in about an hour and a half using just the USB-C charger on the back, and there is a USB-C charging cable that also comes in the box. And of course, there's a user manual, but no one cares about that. You know, for you weirdos who want to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Yeah, the rest of us just figure it out. Timekettle has been working on translation earbuds since 2017, which is quite a while back for an AI product. W4 Pro is their latest iteration of the model, and you can tell from its overall refinement. These fit pretty comfortably, but they also look fairly cool and professional. I also like that these language translator earbuds rest on top of the ear rather than in it, which is great for hygiene and also comfort. But they do only come in this grey colour, this one grey colour, which I mean, it isn't bad, but I mean, some of you might like some flashier options. Okay, so what can the Timekettle W4 Pro earbuds actually do? Well, first off, they can't boil water like a regular kettle can. I had to get that out of the way for you. Instead, these translator earbuds come with a companion app that unlocks their full potential. You can download it using the QR code in the user manual or just through your phone's app store. With the app, you'll be able to translate 52 languages and over 100 accents, which supposedly covers 95% of the world's population, or about 45% of England. That alone is enough to call them one of the best translator earbuds available. Hardware-wise, the W4 Pro AI earbuds come with 3 microphones, which enables vector-based noise reduction. So this allows the earbuds to filter out surrounding voices, focusing on your speech. That means easy communication even in a crowded farmer's market. Naturally, the Timekettle W4 Pro comes with different conversation models for various situations, because maybe you don't want to shop for produce in a foreign farmer's market like I do. Firstly, there's the one-to-one, where each person wears one earbud and speaks their own language, while the earbuds play back the translation. The 2 earbuds will be color-coded with blue and green lights. The text bubbles in the app will also match the color of each earbud, which is especially convenient. The next mode is listen and play, which is a great option for meetings or whenever you don't want to share your earbuds. Here you switch between listening and speaking modes. In listening mode, the translations will play through the earbuds in your selected language. Meanwhile, speaking mode will have you talking into your earbuds while the translated audio will come out of your smartphone. And the third option is media translation. As the name suggests, this mode is for translating content that isn't available in a language you'd understand. So maybe it's a YouTube video, TV series, movie, or even a phone call. Alongside audio, you'll get floating window subtitles on your phone that neatly overlay on the app that you're currently watching. Besides being some of the best translation earbuds, Timekettle can also be your AI language tutor if you want to learn Spanish, English, or Chinese. The earbuds come with a comprehensive learning course that includes different scenarios that you can act out with suggested answers. Of course, you can always use the Timekettle earbuds as intended, meaning traveling abroad, meaning you might not always have internet connection. Luckily, the earbuds have an offline mode that works with free downloadable language packs that you can use wherever you are. If all of that sounds like your cup of tea, then get the Timekettle AI translation earbuds using my link in the description below. You'll get free shipping, a massive discount, a 30-day return policy, and a generous 12-month warranty. Okay, time for a practical demonstration for this translator earbuds review. Since I still can't have a conversation with my cat, I will try the listen and play mode. I will speak English while wearing the earbuds, and the phone will translate it into another language for you. Or my cat. One of the two. You know, maybe the cat understands Spanish. Right, anyway, the app is set to listen and play, the language is set to Spanish, here goes nothing. I would like one really big taco, please.
Quisiera un aparejo realmente grande, por favor.
Alright, so now let's try the reverse. I'm going to try saying a few lines in Spanish, and I'm going to give the earpiece to the mic to see how well it translates it back to you in English. I can't hear it if I'm holding up the earpiece, so let me know in the comments whether it got it right or not. Hola, soy Andy. ¿Cómo estás?
Hi, I'm Andy. How are you?
You know what? Let's see if I can brush up on my Spanish skills using the AI tutor on the Timekettle earbuds. I'm going to boot up the feature and see what it recommends. Hi, I'm Andy. How are you?
Hola, soy Andy. ¿Cómo estás?
Could you please stop meowing at me?
¿Podrías dejar de maullarme, por favor?
Overall, the Timekettle real-time translation earbuds are versatile, comfortable, and their translator capabilities are excellent. It is a great gadget if you're planning a bunch of trips abroad and want seamless communications with the locals. You can even use it before the trip to learn a few phrases using the AI tutor. And once you're there, the media translation feature will help you watch and understand local TV. And that's it for my Timekettle W4 Pro review. I hope you liked it and that you'll subscribe to the CoolTechZone channel for more cool gadget reviews. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get your own pair of Timekettle voice translator earbuds at a great price. I'll see you later.